Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. Today I'm going to show you how to use our shrink wrap on our stemless wine tumblers. The shrink wrap is another way of doing our tumblers in the convection oven. Here's the items you will need. Heat tape, a heat gun from any kind of hardware store, heat resistant gloves, and a scissors to remove the shrink wrap, our shrink wrap, the tumbler, and our transfer sheet. Let's get started. All right, first you're going to get the transfer onto the tumbler. And then with your heat tape, make sure you get it on there really nice and tight. And I will tape all the way up that edge and then over. And I'll even put another one kind of on the other side just to make sure it's on there nice and tight. And then our bags, our shrink wrap bags, come as an actual, like it's a bag. So I'll go in and pop and open this top so it's nice and open. Put that around there. And with our heat bags, when you're using that, you don't need an extra scrap piece of paper around it. You could just do the transfer sheet and then with the wrap. So now that you have that around, I'll put the excess into the cup. Get your gun going. And just start shrinking, tightening it up. Get it on there nice and tight, and try to remove most of the those bubbles out of there. And as you can tell, that's on there really nice. There's not many air bubbles on there at all. Now we're going to put it into the oven, and we're going to do these at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. All right, we are down to 30 seconds. And as you can tell, you could see your artwork coming through. If you can't see this, then you know you have to go a longer time, but you know we are getting really close when you can see all your artwork coming through that paper. All right, so carefully you want to remove your shrink wrap right away, and it is very hot. I'll usually start with get a scissors just to get a hole started, so you can start tearing it off. Sometimes it'll come off all in one shot, and other times it'll be just a little more pieces that you gotta do. Get the paper off. And there you go. For more information on these or any of our other products, contact us at 800-843-8853 or visit us online at jdsindustries.com. Thanks.